From ancient Egypt to today's internet users, people have always loved their cats. In the United States alone, about 45.3 million cats are under control. According to the Cat Fanciers Association, there are at least 45 domestic breeds that vary widely in characteristics such as coat color, tail length, hair texture, and temperament. In today's video, let's learn about 6 surprising things about your pet cat that you never knew. The vocal diversity of cats. Cats have a wide range of sounds. In fact, they have the largest vocal range of all carnivores, able to utter about 100 different sounds compared to dogs, who can only communicate about 10 sounds. Cats communicate among members of their own species and with other species to express how they feel in their own unique way. Researchers have found that the environment plays a critical role in the vocal behavior of untamed and domesticated cats that reverse vocalizations. Cats communicate a lot through their tails. For example, a raised tail may signify a friendly greeting, while a puffed tail may indicate fear or aggression. Cats use their tail movements along with their eyes, ears, and body postures to communicate. Understanding cat tail language will help you understand your cat better. You can read your cat's body language to determine how they feel about particular interactions and identify situations or environments that make your cat happy or fearful. By reading a cat's tail language, you can more easily identify disease and pain. Cats have good night vision. Cats don't see the beautiful range of colors that humans do, but they can see some colors. Cats often see things in shades of gray, blue, and yellow, and sometimes green. This lack of color recognition does not stop them. Thanks to their amazing eyesight, cats are especially good at detecting small movements and seeing fast details, even on moonless nights. Cats have an excellent ability to see in the dark, but they are not nocturnal. Cats are actually crepuscular, which means they are more active at dusk. The ability to see in the dark, combined with their other senses, makes them well-equipped for post-sleep adventures. Cats have an excellent grooming ritual. A cat spends about a third of its waking hours grooming itself. This behavior not only keeps their fur clean, but also serves as a way to bond with other cats. All cats have their own grooming rituals, but most often use their front paws to clean their mouths, chins, and whiskers. A moistened forepaw is used to scrub their face, head, and ears. After every few swipes, the foot is reset by licking. After this, their shoulders and forelegs are cleaned. Lastly will be their sides and back legs, genitalia, and then their tail. Cats have a flexible body and backbone. The individual bones that make up a cat's spine have elastic cushion discs between them. These discs allow cats to easily rotate their bodies up to 180 degrees left or right. Humans can only rotate their torso up to 90 degrees. To put this into perspective, a cat can pose with its head and front legs facing the opposite direction of the hips and hind legs. The muscles that attach to the spine are made very flexible, allowing cats to increase their range of motion by extending the spine. Cats relieve human stress. Whiskers, fuzzy faces, meows, and head shakes let us know that our cats are definitely good for our mental health. However, the rest of the world has some catching up to do. Those who don't have cats miss the appeal of cats. The reality is that behind all the warm cuddles and purring is an animal that reduces stress, provides companionship, relieves pain, and improves mental health by serving as a therapy animal. Cats are unmistakable stress relievers. Adopting a cat is basically a walking, meowing, sassy stress reliever. Cats have been shown to relieve stress in a variety of ways by being themselves. When you've had a rough day, coming over and spending some time petting a fuzzy cat will cause your body to produce stress-reducing hormones. When you do, your heart rate and blood pressure will decrease, and your anxiety level will normalize.